Another confusing twist in the long-running Oscar Pistorius legal saga. In an unprecedented move, defence advocate Barry Roux arrived at the court seeking leave to appeal the state's application to appeal Judge Masipa's culpable homicide verdict. But prosecutor Gerry Nel claimed the court had no authority to hear such matters.
If the court grants leave today, we might very well have an application saying that that's a question of law. We now want to have leave to appeal that leave that you've granted against leave. It's never ending, because where will it stop?
It took little time for Judge Masipa to agree with the state and ruled that the application should be struck off.
I am not satisfied that this is the correct court to hear this application. For one thing, there is really nothing new in the submissions by counsel for the applicant. In my view, to entertain this application will be tantamount to reviewing my own decision.
Although that decision was widely expected, the ruling delighted the National Prosecuting Authority.
We're very excited. The court actually agreed with the NPA, agreed with our prayers as the respondent that this is functions official, it's unprecedented, there's no precedent for this. It's going to open a floodgate of all these kind of appeals to go back to the court accord.
So this lengthy legal process now moves to the Supreme Court in Bloemfontein, where 3 or more judges will pick over the proceedings of the trial before deciding on Pistorius' fate. But that next step could still be some way off. The date for the appeal hearing has yet to be set, but it appears the files will only be sent to the Supreme Court of Appeal in May, with heads of arguments following months later. Pistorius could leave prison in August to serve the rest of his sentence under house arrest. It means the athlete could be out of prison by the time that hearing takes place. Dan Williams, CCTV, Johannesburg.